presenting Avatech Nutrition's manufacturing facility in Haryana, India. The dedicated site for Perfomance. This is one of the few plants in the world built specifically for the production of organic mineral monoglycinates. Designed from the ground up for responsible production, the facility runs on a clean energy mix, including solar energy and low-emission PNG and LPG, supported by high-efficiency condensate recovery systems that minimize waste and maximize consistency. SCADA-based systems enable real-time monitoring and control, ensuring process consistency, traceability, and the dependable production outcomes Perfomance is known for. Through an integrated network of closed-loop systems and stainless steel reactor units, the plant employs advanced spray drying techniques to produce highly stable and bioavailable Perfomance monoglycinates. Controlled thermal processing, augmented by fluidized bed dryers and precise burner control, ensures uniformity, product stability, and adherence to validated process controls. Rigorous hygiene parameters, biometric access systems, and adherence to material handling SOPs help maintain a clean, controlled environment with minimal risk of contamination. Each batch of Perfomance is verified under protocol-driven conditions, certified to FAMI QS, ISO 22000, ISO 9001, and Halal standards, giving nutritionists and feed manufacturers the documentation and confidence their customers demand. Avatech Nutrition produces Perfomance organic mineral monoglycinates at this state-of-the-art facility led by scientific protocols and a meticulous manufacturing ecosystem. Perfomance provides the molecular precision your nutrition program demands.